I'm your Rockport neighborhood news reporter, Victoria Valderrama. For 100 years, a dense, solid structure called a breakwater stood here to help withstand a hurricane. Hurricane Harvey destroyed it 6 years ago. But today, another has been built to help protect the people again.
We always worry about flooding. We have flooded in the building on occasions when it's just rained, a really hard rain, and we have high tide.
For the last 15 years, Michelle McMahon has owned a coffee shop in downtown Rockport. In those years, the daily grind has survived a number of storms, including Hurricane Harvey.
We are below the flood zone here.
McMahon's coffee shop is right next to the water, along with a dozen other businesses.
These structures are very important to really the livelihood of the citizens and businesses that reside here in Rockport.
Since the 1930s, a breakwater near the Navigation District has protected against tides, currents, waves, and storm surges. Keith Barrett, a harbor master, saw it destroyed by Hurricane Harvey in 2017.
And it tilted this breakwater outboard, so it was slanted. So it was rolling it over into the bay as it was getting undermined by all the wave action.
That was 6 years ago. Getting it rebuilt, Barrett says, required permits, finding money, and lots of talking with FEMA.
You saw the pictures of Rockport, you saw the devastation that was here. And a lot of funds were put towards that rebuilding process. But it would be like building a new house and not putting a front door on it.
Once approved, the $4.5 million project took 6 months to finish. The breakwater sits on tons of rocks brought over from the hill country, as well as a secondary breakwater.
This is our front door. This is our protector. This is what keeps the evil away.
Keith Barrett tells us the new breakwater should last the next 100 years and help protect the people from almost any threat on the horizon. In Rockport, I'm your neighborhood news reporter, Victoria Valderrama for Chris 6 News.